fix this error, that's what you need to do. First, what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager or System Tray here and completely close the platform where we have GTA 5. In my case is Steam, so I just need to go to Steam here and completely close all the tasks related to Steam on my, as you can see here, on my Task Manager here, right? So let's close all the tasks here. And then we just need to wait until it's done. And then also close Rockstar Games as well, if there is some tasks. And then what you need to do here, first you need to make sure to open Rockstar Games. So go ahead and launch it. And also make sure to sign in before you launch Steam or Epic Games. Rockstar Games should be signed in with your account. Once Rockstar Games is launched, then launch Steam. So press on Steam and launch it. And then launch GTA 5 and look if the problem persists. If this did not work, then again completely close Steam and Rockstar Games. Should be no on your Task Manager. Then open up File Explorer. So you just need to go to Documents and then look for Rockstar Games and rename it your Rockstar Games folder to basically just put X or something like that, and then launch the game and look if the problem persists. I advise you to not delete it because also there is some profiles in your saves. So if you don't want to lose your, for example, basically story mode, I advise you not to delete it, just rename it. And if this did not work, then open a browser, and then I will show you what you need to do next. You just need to go to 1.1.1.1 and download Cloudflare VPN on your PC. It's completely free. And then what you need to do here is to open Cloudflare, and it should open on your system tray. Then make sure you're connected and make sure to connect one by one, not 1.1.1.1 with warp. And then launch the game, look if the problem persists. And the last thing that I suggest to do here is to go to rockstargames.com and sign into your account. Once you signed in, press on your profile icon and then press logout. Once you're logged out, then you can close this window here. And then you need to write cmd. Make sure to open as admin. Then what you need to do here is to write IP here on this prompt. You just need to write IP config/flush DNS, right? After that, just launch your Rockstar game, Games Launcher, and then launch Steam or Epic Games, depending where you got the game. Launch GTA 5, and then it should work. So that's pretty much it.